Yeah, stay, yeah, I've got a call to the watching a basket match represent for Jamaica worst game at 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we're with Vanessa Bling. Yeah, man. Vanessa Bling with Rich Mean Man. Yes. Official music video upon the storybook Riddim. Big up yourself again. Russian. Head concussion. First female list. We are react to Pande Riddim. Big up yourself, bro. You know yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. We could jump in that one here and see what I want to see where Vanessa did it, man. Let's go, man.
Vanessa Bling, hey Russian.
Hey, Russian.
Some get fucked on, cause them not spend pound, them woman. Oh, you say you're rich, and your girl broke. When your body stiff, who you are gonna fuck? Me a chick me with bumbo clad cuss. Yeah, rich mean man, them are the worst. Oh, you mean, you have every Louis V and she a wear sheen. Coming like you hate your...
Rich Mean Man, I want Vanessa attack.
Hey, Russian.
Rich Mean Man.
Some man get fucked on, cause them not spend pound, them woman. Oh, you say you're rich, and your girl broke. When your body stiff, who you are gonna fuck?
Yeah.
Me a chick me with bumbo clad cuss.
When your body stiff, go fuck your money. Go fuck your heap of money what you have, because the girl them say them now getting a pum pum cause you mean. Star rapper meanness. Yeah, you know drop off a tree. You mean, brother.
When your body stiff,
who you are go fuck? What you say?
Me a chick me with bumbo clad cuss. Yeah. Rich mean man them are the worst.
Yo, the rich mean man them get Vanessa Bling huggy. She get aggy. Yeah, she angry. She iggy phono. Yeah, she iggy phono. She say her head chip. She with bumbo clad cuss.
Me a chick me with bumbo clad cuss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Rich mean man them are the worst. Oh, you mean, you have every Louis V and she a wear sheen. Coming like you hate your woman 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Say you have fame and power, but a fire when you want, pull your zip and think it 𝐼𝐍.
Ooh! Play upon words. Play upon words. Play double. Alright, watch it. What you say?
Louis V and she a wear sheen. Coming like you hate your woman 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. Say you have fame and power, but a fire when you want, pull your zip and think it 𝐼𝐍.
Play upon words. With the radio station them. So you have fame and power. The fire when you pull your zip and think it 𝐼𝐍. 𝐼𝐍 FM, zip, fame, power. Yo, you wanna get it? Play upon words. Shall play upon words. Big up yourself, Vanessa. Big up yourself, Vanessa.
Hey, Russian.
Bad your bad, mama. Bad your bad.
Cause them not spend pound, them woman. Oh, you say you're rich, and your girl broke. When your body stiff, who you are gonna fuck?
She ain't creative, big up.
Yeah, chick me with bumbo clad cuss. Yeah, rich mean man, them are the worst. Oh, you mean, you have every Louis V and she a wear sheen. Coming like you hate your woman 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. Say you have fame and power, but a fire when you want, pull your zip and think it 𝐼𝐍. Pussy don't free, I no non-profit, I mean no run charity. Imagine if you breed, OMG. Better come good if you want there with me.
If it means so, and you're not breeding, you're not picking the fame. Him a rear Gucci and you a rear Shein. Imagine if you breed and have a youth fame. You suffer. White squad dig off you wall of your mouth.
Imagine if you breed, OMG. Better come good if you want there with me. Oh, miss a mean man, stop it, stop. Watch money, cause your argument don't match your pocket. You want stop it, God forbid. If me give it away, make a next man have it. Cause me a one girl when him can't style up. Spend my money on the things I love. Hey, man, stop it, me a hot topic. Cause this a body a hit a black traffic.
Yeah, everybody a black traffic. I mean, man, if you stop it. She has said basically, your argument where come out here about don't match your pocket because you're not chump up. You're not put up the moolah. You're not put up the bang, the cheddar, the cheese. You mean?
Man, stop it, me a hot topic. Cause this a body a hit a
black traffic.
Some a say my eye, but my stay upon late. The cars and the diamonds, I paid for it. Rain or shine, yeah, my stay for it. Cause I would alone for broke in a relationship. Nah, cycle with no rich mean man. Your time come, you need for one man. You want living on my skin like roller. Me, I go find another man, you need for move. Oh, you miss a mean man.
Blood
Watch money, cause your argument don't match your pocket. So you want stop it, God forbid. If me give it away, make a next man have it. Cause me a one girl when him can't style up. Spend my money on the things I love. Hey, man stop it, me a hot topic. Cause this a body a it a
Black traffic. You mean. You know want to give her prayers. She said the way you mean it, every spit a girl make hands drink it. You're not giving nothing at all, not even prayers. You mean. Yeah. Yeah. She said so to me. She said you mean, bro. She said you mean. You're too mean. Big up all that girl that deserve things and get things. Cause you have some girl fit tell the truth. Don't deserve it, bro. But yeah, but big up the one that deserve it and I get it. Man them, if you don't have a woman and she deserve it, give her it, man. Give her it, man. Because you want to pull the zip and take out teely, put in a pokey, and you know what I said, how soap I go buy? How clean jars, how new jars I go buy? Eh? The girl them want to look after themselves, the girl them want to TV it up, do nails, do hair, makeup and beer things. Help her out, man. Especially if she can help herself already. But contribute something to the table, man. Yeah. Contribute something to the table. You just want to go around the table, go sit down, and look pretty in a Gucci. While she in a Shein. That don't make no sense. Big up the girl, know see you, where know them hurt and all, second for less. Yes, big up on yourself. Like, you know. Vanessa, big up yourself, mama. Russian. Bad. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Riddim a shot. Riddim a shot. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, though, and I'll catch you guys down there. For real, for real. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.